At AMUG 2026, innovation is not just about technology. It's about the people and the partnerships shaping what comes next. And sometimes the most impactful ideas don't come from within a single industry, but from what happens when knowledge moves across them. That's exactly what we see in the collaboration between Divergent and General Atomics.
Working with crimes, we've tried to understand how we transition that technology, but also identify the gaps on maturation of that technology. And the surprisingly easy part, easy being relative, of transitioning that technology has really been the process definition. So DAPS by initiation has been designed for transferability across product types. So whether that is an automotive application, an A&D application, another commercial application, the process, the tool sets, the workflow is designed to be transferable between those products. And what we found is huge success on that in between the different products. So on the automotive side, doing the design optimization, the analysis validation, the manufacturing, that process and workflow has carried over pretty similarly to the A&D applications as well. We use the same software tools, we use the same process flow, we use the same manufacturing instructions and work order creation and generation process in order to successfully design, optimize, and deliver A&D products that we do on the automotive front.
What started as an automotive approach is now challenging how aerospace structures are designed.
So at first, when we met with Divergent, obviously they were in the auto industry, and the design of a drone is not quite the same as a design for an automobile, but I could kind of see some familiarity to it, especially in the way that the structure is designed and as transformed in their way, and I could see how it could transform us on our side. So fundamentally, we use materials that are composite, ultralights. We use manufacturing technologies that are, conventional, I would say, and long history for the company. So by meeting Divergent, it really challenged us to think about manufacturing in a different way, but not just on the receiving end of a design, but from the inception. So if you think about inserting into your design cycle and the design methodology, the way you will plan to build it to begin with, then you open up opportunities for weight reduction, part consolidation, and then really ultimately massive cost reduction from a manufacturing standpoint. So that was I would say the most tangible outcome of this relationship is how we were able to have step change in the part count reduction and the efficiency of the design all the way through manufacturing of a structural component of our aircraft, similarly than what they were doing for automobile at the time.
What emerges from this kind of collaboration is more than shared technology. It's a shift in perspective, a shift that connects industries, that redefines design possibilities, and that accelerates how innovation moves from concept to reality. Because in additive manufacturing, progress doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when ideas, expertise, and ambitions come together.